Welcome! To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a customs agent. While this tutorial uses the trader role, from the dashboard, go to Regularity Compliances. We'll review the Trade Development Authority of Pakistan, covering RX registration and electronic certificates of origin. Tap on REX Registration Endorsement to view your listings. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific record, then simply tap an entry to open its full detail view. To explore further options for this agency, tap back to return. Next, select Electronic Certificate of Origin. Here, records are organized into 3 menus: In Queue, Amendment Request, and Indirect Consignment. You can find certificates across various agreements like CPFTA, GSTP, and PSFTA. Use the Search tool to filter your certificates, then tap any record in the list to open the detailed information page. Now, let's look at the Amendment Request menu. Inside the record details, scroll down to see green highlighted text. This indicates updated information. For more context, tap the History icon to open a view of the original data.